Hey everyone, welcome back to Simple Finance. Today we have an exciting topic for all you students out there, making money online. Yes, you heard it right. In this video, we're going to explore various ways in which students can earn money from the comfort of their dorm rooms or homes. Whether you're looking to pay off student loans, save for your future, or just have some extra cash, we've got you covered. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. The online gig economy. First up, let's talk about the gig economy. The gig economy has opened up a world of opportunities for students to make money online. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow you to offer your skills and services to a global audience. Voiceover acting. For those with a beautiful, unique, or radio announcer tone, have you considered voiceover work? Successful voiceover actors often have a background in acting, though it's not necessary, and are able to do different characters or accents. Voiceover actors can find work narrating ebooks, online videos, or online ads. To get started, you will need a professional portfolio to share with potential clients. Test websites and apps. If you like being paid to take surveys, you might also enjoy earning money or rewards to test websites and apps. Instead of answering questions about specific products, you get to use websites and apps and provide your feedback. Similar to taking surveys, you aren't going to earn enough to replace your full-time job, but it is a fun way to get paid for your perspective. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services you love and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. It's a win-win for you and the company. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide on how students can make money online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, the opportunities are endless. Remember, success in the online world often requires dedication, consistency, and a willingness to learn. So, pick the method that suits you best, take action, and start building your online income today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. If you have any questions or want to share your own online money-making experiences, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay motivated and keep hustling.